Hello, my name is Van Smith, managing partner here at Smith Strong Law Firm located in Richmond, Virginia, and serving clients statewide. We are getting a lot of calls about filial, F-I-L-I-A-L, filial responsibility in Virginia, which is a fancy way of saying the legal requirement to support aging parents that need financial support in Virginia. A lot of people are surprised to know this. In Virginia, there is a filial responsibility that has been affirmed. In other words, an aging parent that needs financial help can petition a court for their children to financially support them if they are destitute and in need in Virginia. A lot of people are surprised by that. Now, there are certain situations where that is not enforced, and the facts are, as you can imagine, very nuanced. For instance, the parent, in order to sustain and challenge in getting their child to support them financially in their elder years, must show that they are not eligible and cannot receive any government benefits that are widely available and that they are eligible for. Also, they must show that they did not mistreat, harm, abuse, abandon, neglect their child when the child was a minor. So in other words, there was a unbroken chain of support by the parent and no government benefit option that they are eligible for. Then in Virginia, surprisingly to some, Virginia has a law and case law that supports filial responsibility. There was an effort to overturn this responsibility in 2022 in Virginia that Governor Youngkin, then governor of Virginia, vetoed. And so filial responsibility remains the law of the land of Virginia. Maybe there'll be a future video where this is no longer the case, but understand with an aging population and with many of them not having adequately saved for retirement, either through their own fault or through not given the opportunity to save sufficiently, we are now here. And so with people living longer, there are more and more parents that are simply in need and destitute and desperate. And so this filial responsibility is becoming wider and wider used to demand the adult children step in and help their parents, as long as there's no contravening evidence that the parent was abusive or neglectful of that child, thus explaining why the child is not helping them. And so I hope this helps. Obviously, the law is very nuanced and tricky. Please understand, if you are considering filial responsibility on your adult children, or you're worried about an aging parent demanding filial responsibility of you, it is far better before actions are filed in court to see if resolution and settlement are necessary. Maybe there are benefits that haven't been fully explored. And so we can help elderly parents that are feeling desperate, or we can help adult children who want to do the right thing, but also may not have the means to support both their household and their aging parents' household. These are obviously nuanced areas. We want to surround the family, support you. Give us a call and let us help you outline options if you're feeling desperate or feeling at the end of your rope. And we understand the challenges of this on an aging population. It's our privilege to help clients every day in estate planning, elder law, asset protection, and elder law includes the need to support elderly parents. So if filial responsibility questions remain after this video, give us a call. We appreciate it. Smith Strong and Richmond, Virginia, serving statewide. Thank you.